A Ferris wheel vertical circular ride has a diameter of 50 meters and completes one revolution every 45 seconds. If a rider has a mass of 65 kilograms, what is the magnitude of the normal force acting on the rider at the bottom of the ride? This is your Ferris wheel. Here is the rider. Okay, the mass of the rider is 65 kilograms. Okay, and then what are the forces acting? One is the gravity acting vertically downwards, normal force acting vertically upwards. Okay, and then the other information given is d is equal to diameter is equal to 50 meters. That implies r is equal to 25 meters. Okay, and then 45 seconds, one revolution takes 45 seconds. Okay, that means t is equal to 45 seconds. Okay, now let us write the force equation. Sigma Fy is equal to Fn minus Fg is equal to MAC. Okay, here, because it is in the circular motion, we have to take the centripetal acceleration. Okay, and then Fg is equal to mg. Therefore, Fn is equal to mg plus mac. Okay, so, and we know AC is equal to v square over r. Okay, now we have to find out. Therefore, Fn is equal to m times g plus AC. A instead of AC, I will write v square over r. Okay, now what is v square over r? V is equal to distance over time. Distance here is 2 pi r, and then time is a time period t. Okay, so v square is equal to 2 pi r by t whole square. Now I will substitute the values. So 2 pi r is 25 divided by 45 whole square. This gives a value of 12.18. Okay, now v square over r is equal to 12.18 divided by r is 25. That gives you a value of 0.4873. Okay, now we will write the values here. Okay, so Fn is equal to mass is 65 kilograms times 9. G value is 9.8. G is equal to 9.8. Okay, now plus v square over r is 0.4873. Okay, now what is the value? Fn is equal to, on simplification, we are going to get 68.67 newtons. Or Fn is equal to 669 newtons. Rounding. Okay, this is the answer for this question. Okay, suppose if he's not on the Ferris wheel, his mass, his weight will be around 65 into 9.8. What is the value? 65 into 9.8 is equal to 637. Okay, normal weight. His normal weight is 637. Is the weight. And then in Ferris wheel at the downward at the lowest point, it will be more. Okay, so we are right. Okay, normal weight. This is 637. It is more than the normal weight. That means we are correct. The answer is correct. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.